Hey everybody's Mike Dom here with another break of Artifacts 1011 hockey, or 1112 hockey. Serial number NE95901744, same one as in the subscription. Good luck to everybody. Hope we pull a nice hit. Still haven't seen any superstars in
not one.
Yeah.
All of our artifacts are for guys who don't actually make the team.
Well, we got Clark McCarter. Decent guy. I don't know why Mike likes taking the cards out like this.
I can take a little more care with the cards.
I think damages the sides. Okay, pack one.
Gonna be a hit in here for sure. Starting
There's always a hit.
Bottom up.
Just be a nice parallel. Oh, nice. Okay.
Phil
I thought that was Kessler for a second. Phil Kessel, one color, Toronto Maple Leafs. Sorry. Cool. It's 134 out of 135. Base and decoy. Alright, nice hit for Toronto. Open the packs farther away.
Still hoping for a Cody Hodgson, I guess.
Very nice. Nice rookie of Mark Kadick, 116 out of 999. New York Islanders. Careful with the knife there. It's gonna stack. That was the third pack. Or the second pack, sorry.
Got something here.
I see a nice patch.
100 trios. So
Oh,
it's
sweet.
for San Jose.
Marlowe and Paulie Thornton. Nice, 3 colors out of 149. It's kind of a weird number to have out of. Okay, so 3 hits so far, 3 packs. This is our 4th one. I see an Iginla base on the back. And a base, Sagan base. And a hockey legend of another New York Islanders, Dennis Potvin. Focus in for you. Nice hit. Second New York Islanders hit. And again the base. So we got 6 packs left. Oh, that was a card. Base. A little bit more here. Base. Wow. Oh, I see a cool thing.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Sidney
Crosby and is that? What is that?
It's a patch.
Oh, cool.
Skate.
That's just a weird skate. Okay, nice card. Back up a little bit so we can get a full picture. 2 colors, Sidney Crosby, number 13 out of 65. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. That's what you dream of, kind of. Well, I guess you dream of.
Would have liked to have the auto and maybe a better patch, but still nice.
Well, the one of one's already taken to Crosby, unfortunately. That's up sold a while ago. Base. Oh, nice hit right away. Marian Gaborik. Stars.
406 out of 999.
Decoy and base of Kopitar and Stastny. 4 packs left. And that Crosby pretty much made this whole box already. Nice hit for Pittsburgh.
Still waiting for our rookie redemptions.
Yeah.
And an auto. Maybe we'll finally get a nice auto.
Oh, that'd be nice. I see a green thing. Gretzky.
Ooh,
Oh.
sucks, but still nice.
Yeah, 66 out of 99. That'd have been nice if that was like a switch the Crosby with that, even though the Crosby is still nice. So we got
I
2.
think they're worth about the same.
Yeah, no, well, I don't know.
Well,
Either way,
the
still
Crosby-
2 nice hits. 2 nice hits. LA, Pittsburgh doing well. Subban base. And decoy. So we're guaranteed another autograph, maybe? Base. And a hit for Blake Jeffrey, another good rookie to have. 591 out of 999, Nashville Predators.
Still no Cody Hodgson's though.
Obviously wouldn't compare Jeffrey on him, but Jeffrey on still a good player. His dad was great too. A little boom boom.
Alright, so we're still looking for our auto fact.
Base.
And there it is. And again,
Matt
somebody.
Bolesky, complete plumber.
I wonder how they make these.
You wanna know how they make those?
Last pack. I think maybe we might get another patch.
So far, I think it's been a good box.
Oh,
so
no, this
no
is our
complaints.
redemption for sure.
We get redemptions last lately. Another wild card.
Wild card.
Nice. And base and a base.
Malkin.
So, nice Crosby, nice Gretzky, nice hit for both those teams. Congratulations, and thanks for participating in this box.